Hi friends, we are creating wonderful websites using perfect WordPress themes. In this video, I have a target to create a professional website for restaurant and food delivery. And these are layouts I have in my target. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and even more. So I have 8 pre-made websites and the theme that I have selected to create a demo website and overview is the theme Poco, and it is a dedicated theme for fast food restaurant and related services websites. The theme had been developed by Pavo Themes and they are elite author at theme for restaurant, and the theme is available through video description link at $49, just for $49, and we can create wonderful and stunning website using this Poco WordPress theme. And fortunately, I have already installed the theme and I'm taking you to the backend first this time in this video. So I'm not installing first. I will install and definitely I'll show you the installation process as well. But yes, let us jump directly to the backend, what is available inside the theme so that we can better understand the functionality. So this is the installation and as I always use, I am using this shared hosting plan. I have and use this WordPress manager by subtaculars to install the WordPress core and even install the theme. So in the backend, I have Poco options, and in the Poco options, we can say this is the theme panel. In the theme panel, I have home to upload the logo, typography, breadcrumb, blog, social, performers, and import export. And at next, I have WP Clever for some additional features and the Get Who plugins for swatches. So this theme also supports the WooCommerce as well, and nothing additional is here. So it is going to be super simple website, and I have already installed, so I can open the website. This is the website, and it has got all the contents with the demo import. Yes, of course, there are some placeholder images, but ultimately for products we have to upload our own images, so it is correct. And now I'm going to show you how you can edit the content first. So this is the page, that home page, and for editing the content, Elementor page builder is here. We can simply select the page that we want to edit, and in the respective section we can change the text and images. What we have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image and same length of text as shown in the demo. So rest will be fine, of course. And if you have any question regarding this customization or even about the theme, you can write in the comment section and even join the iCreate chat programs and all. So this is iCreate program. I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel and you are already interacting with the mentor, I believe. Okay, so now coming back to the dashboard, I am going to reset this website and will show you the installation process very quickly so that you may be super confident about buying this theme. And don't stick on this theme only. You have hundreds of options on this channel. So you are watching the biggest YouTube channel for theme and WordPress resource overview. So don't miss the chance. And also compare other themes, other resources available on this channel. Particularly for restaurant, you can get around 20s of themes to overview and understand what is going to be best for your website project. So watch other videos as well. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button if you are anyhow connected to WordPress website development. Or even you are on a business, so this can be helpful. Great, so I'm going to reset this. So I have WP reset already set here. So I'm clicking on reset and I'm going to wash out all the installations. So I'll go to the nuclear reset. So I will type the reset here. It is very good plugin that I am using very quickly and randomly for resetting the installation, since I am demonstrating multiple themes in a day, and reset is the main function that I need to make the installation fresh. Okay, so the installation is reset now, and we can simply add a core theme. I mean the default WordPress theme. So 2024 is here. And our website is looking now like this with the default WordPress. So let us install the Poco here. And the installation process remained very simple. So this is why I directly shown you the dashboard before installing the theme. Okay. So in the theme pack, I have this Poco theme pack and the licensing and guide part. So we can simply use this installable theme file for our installation purpose. So we can simply go to the appearance and upload theme. We have to choose the installable file here. That is poco-theme.zip. Click on install now. It will hardly take few seconds in uploading the theme because theme file size is really very optimized. 5.9 MB it was showing. So we may wait for a while and it will be installed. Okay, so it got installed. We can go to the theme page just to check the details. Poco is here along with the default theme. I'm using version 2.1.5. As on date, this is being the latest version with me. When you will order the theme through the video description, you shall be getting an updated version. So depending upon the availability. Let us activate the theme. Upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins. Let us install these plugins. Elementor is here, and fortunately, and it is really cool. So Elementor Pro is also included in the theme pack. You don't need to buy additionally. So it is included in the theme pack and it will be installed along with the theme plugins. And Redux is the framework that has been used. Evolution title for hero images. WooCommerce is of course here, and the variations are all great plugins. So we can simply install all these 6 plugins by selecting all at once and selecting install. Click on apply. It is going to be very simple, and it will take a while again. So 6 plugins are being installed. Okay, so all plugins installed, and we can now go for activating all the installed plugins. So I'm selecting all again. This time I'll select activate, click on apply. It is a simple process, but yes, I need to show, since we are overviewing the theme, so I wish to show you every step so that you may simply follow the same steps. All plugins has been installed and activated. Simply come back to the dashboard. And welcome page of Elementor is here. As always, if we are using Elementor, we can simply come back to the dashboard by closing this. Yes, great. So, okay, so one plugin remained. Wish list. Okay, so we can install this one as a okay. So now successfully installed. We can go to the installer screen and okay. Now Poco options can be seen here as I shown you in the beginning, and all these new navigation are here. So what is next? We can check our website by refreshing this page, how it looks without any demo content. So this is the basic look. And now we can proceed for importing the demo content. So demo content is very simple with this installation. So there is an option called theme setup under appearance tab. You can simply open the theme setup, and this is the installation wizard margin, where we can simply go for installing the theme and all respective things. So child theme can be skipped here, and we have already installed all the plugins. So we are up to the speed. We can simply select the demo we want. Like I'm selecting, okay, which one I am going to select this time. Earlier I installed this one, first one, and this is second. So all are good. 8, 7, and 2. So let us go with this second one. It is good for me. However, you can select any of the available layouts. So 8 options are here, and I believe you are going to like any of these, and this can be helpful in making a wonderful website. So 8 pre-made websites, 8 pre-made layouts, and I'm selecting the second one randomly, not like that. So I'm simply clicking on import. Now the demo content import process is begin, and it will take a while. Even it may take 4, 5 or even 10 minutes depending upon your server and internet speed. So just wait on this screen and we will finish the installation once the process, all these list turns into green. And now it is on 99% and it is going to complete now. 99, 99, 99. I am waiting for 100%. It may take a while because after import process is still going on, and it hardly took 3 or 4 minutes for me. So it is complete. Wonderful. Installation remained very smooth. So this is the beauty of theme that we have selected and we are using. So we can view our website first of all. Yes, wonderful. So okay, so we just need to assign the menu, and this great website is here. Some images are placeholders, and of course we have got all the things. I'll show you on the backend again just to make a reference. So we just need to assign a menu. So I'll take you to the backend again. We have successfully installed the theme. Menu, I believe there is no any menu. This is why it is not showing up. Okay, so there is no item in the menu. So I'll just add few items just to make a reference how it looks. Okay, so contact us is here. Shop can be here. Okay, and randomly we can add some phases just to check whether how the menu looks like. Okay, so it is here, and again we can handle the menu items. And if we talk about the pages, I selected the layout 2. Okay, so 22 published pages are here. So I got this selected home page only, not all, and it is nice that our installation is not cluttered with all those things that we actually don't need for our website. So only selected home pages here and the respective pages. So 22 published pages and all the rest of the things I have already shown you. So it remained a very smooth and successful installation. We created this demo website, and it is really wonderful for fast food and restaurant services. In the next video, I'm coming with more WordPress resources. So I believe you are going to watch the coming videos as well, because I am working on the enhancement features for WordPress websites. So you can keep watching and don't miss to subscribe, and you'll definitely get your desired website here. You can create a dream website using WordPress. Let us keep creating, keep building, and let us meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.